How to share process tracks directly from Lalal.ai. First of all, open your web browser and go to the official website by typing Lalal.ai in the address bar. Next, log into your account using your credentials if you haven't already. Once logged in, upload the audio file you want to process by clicking on the Select Files button and choosing your file. After the audio is processed, you will see options to listen to and download the separated tracks such as vocals and instrumentals. To share your processed tracks directly from Lalal.ai, look for the Share or Send option on the results page after downloading. Click on the Share button and you will get a shareable link that you can copy. You can send this link via email, social media, messaging apps, or anywhere you want to share your tracks easily. Some accounts may require you to upgrade to premium plan to unlock sharing features, so check your account status if you don't see sharing option. And that's it. Now you know how to share processed tracks directly from Lalal.ai. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.